In this video, I want to talk about how you can journal your trades inside of TradingView. Now, there are no built-in journal on TradingView, but there are some things that you can do. So the first thing I suggest you do is you head over to your super chart, select a time frame depending on if you want to journal day by day, week by week, month by month. So if you want to do day by day, you can either do 15 or 30 or 45 minutes. You can also do a few hours, but just make sure that you have the entire day down here selected. So once you've done that, what you want to do is select the time frame here, and then you can start journaling. So you can select the text and you can say, oh, I took this trade here, this was good because, or this was bad because, and you can do the same here. I took this was good or bad. You can click on this button right here and you can select notes or comments or price labels, flag marks. You can even put images in here. So if you want to do like this, you can do like this and say it went from here to here and stuff like this. Once you've done doing all of that, what you want to do is just take a picture of it. So open up the snipping tool, this one, select here, take a picture, and then put it into a Google Docs, or can be anything where you can put your pictures, and just type in the date, and that way you can journal your trades. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.